This is Jamie, the inventor of the Badass Toolbox for online business. Let's back up a second. Starting an online business in this day and age is easier than it's ever been.
No, I'm not doing anything. I'll be right up.
But not for Jamie. See, getting traffic, leads and sales to his business, that's another story.
Where is everybody?
Getting traffic to your website is like building a restaurant in the middle of the forest without a road.
Got the website, but I don't have any visitors or customers. I thought at least I'd have a driveway or a parking lot.
Jamie was tired of this unnecessary, painful situation.
I don't know if I'll be able to stay afloat.
So he got to work, and after thousands of hours of experimentation, he cracked the code.
I cracked the code!
The first thing he did was buy new fashionable drip.
That's not fair, man!
People were mad, and they demanded the blueprint, and so Jamie invented the Badass Toolbox. The Badass Toolbox is like your online traffic construction kit and digital treasure map.
This is amazing!
And although the internet was skeptical at
Where the heck
first,
y'all going?
everyone is saying the same thing.
I tried everything. Nothing gets traffic and ROI like this.
The Badass Toolbox makes it
So simple, so powerful.
This is an incredible way to advertise your online business.
It helps you build.
Income streams, just one after another, just cranking them out.
See, Badass Toolbox includes over 100 traffic campaigns for plug-and-play use. And that's not all. The people started selling domain names. Our AI assistant helps you find them, and then sell them, with AI-generated videos like this one. Our strategy is unique and works for now thousands of people. Okay, enough with the metaphors. We actually have pre-built prompts in our software that allow you to do this. Speaking of our AI assistant, it also created all the content on our entire website. Just ask anyone in our Facebook group community. You don't have a budget or experience? This is like color by number. Just fill in the blanks. Whether you have an e-com business, a restaurant, you want to flip domain names, or you've got a coaching company. You can't keep doing this to yourself. Get yourself some traffic. I would get access to Badass Toolbox immediately. Use our AI assistant for your entire business. Fire everyone at badassclass.com.